Hey guys, John here, lead tutor for Kent DJ Academy. We've been asked what our new studio digs are like here at Chatham Dockyards. We've been going for about 6 years, but we've just moved to these lovely new studios here. We're going to give you a little tour, so come with us. Okay, so first of all, we're going to take you straight through here into our main corridor and waiting room. Rather plush and cosy. There's Studio 2. We're going to take you to Studio 1 today, just have a little look around. It's the main DJ room. All set up today for lessons. We've got it in, just turn that down a little bit. Spin back. I've got it in nightclub mode at the moment, got it all lit up. We like to get the volume up, get it lit, looking nice, get a nice feel for when we're practicing and learning. Just makes the whole experience a bit more fun. And we've got our amazing all-in-one controller. We've got another controller here that works with the laptop. Doing some editing for a girl that's here this morning. Recorded a fantastic house mix. Just going to copy that and send that off to her so she's got a recording. And we're handing out these new badges this afternoon for some students that are completing their masterclass courses. They've definitely earned their DJ Merit badges, so can you. And over here we've got a bit of our sound system. We've got another controller. Which is a great beginner's deck, this, and a bag of vinyl. Because you're never far away with love next to a bit of vinyl. We've got lots of other equipment to show you if you come down. So yeah, a quick tour of our new space at Chatham Dockyards. Come check it out. Hope to see you guys soon.